Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, I'll be showing you how to download SolidWorks. So open a web browser and go to Google and search for SolidWorks for Students. So in the search bar, I'm going to search for SolidWorks for Students. So you should see this SolidWorks for Student link and click on that, and it will bring you to this page, and you should see this blue icon. So you can click on this blue Buy Student Edition, and it is going to bring you to this page. So all you have to do is follow the instruction on this page on how to purchase one. So the student version is very cheap. I believe it's less than $100. In some case, you could even get it lower than that. So follow the information on this page to get one. And thank you. I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.